If this video is helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. It really supports us and ensures you don't miss out on more tips for financial success. How to make money with rental properties. If you've ever thought about investing in real estate, rental properties are a fantastic way to generate a steady income. In this video, we'll explore the key steps you need to take to make money with rental properties. First, research is key. Look for properties in high-demand areas, such as near universities, business districts, or public transportation. These locations often boast lower vacancy rates, which means a more consistent rental income. Next, know your budget. Understand how much you can afford to invest without putting your finances at risk. Factor in not just the purchase price, but also renovation costs and ongoing maintenance. Remember, a successful rental property requires upkeep to attract and retain tenants. Once you've selected a property, set a competitive rental rate. Research similar properties in the area to understand the going price range. This will help ensure you attract tenants quickly and consistently. Consider hiring a property management company if you're not interested in dealing with tenants directly. They handle everything from repairs and maintenance to screening tenants, giving you the freedom to focus on acquiring additional properties. Look for ways to maximize your property's value. Upgrades like modern appliances, additional amenities, or renovations that add space can allow you to increase rent and boost profitability. Stay informed about the real estate market trends and local laws and regulations that may affect your rental income. This will help you make informed decisions and adapt to any changes. Lastly, remember that real estate is generally a long-term investment. Patience and consistency are key to building wealth through rental properties.